Now Richard and Derek aren't here yet, but Richard's truck is here, the F3 Kitty. He did a killer job. The best part about it is he uses it. Welcome back to Road Trip Garage, guys. As you can tell by my squinting, the sun is brilliant today. And today we are going to do another road trip, part of Road Trip Garage. We're going to take the Buick, we're going to uncover it, we're going to move the Sonoma out of the way. We're going to uncover the Buick and hop in it and take a rip down. It's about a 5 hour, 15-minute ride according to Google Maps. We're going to go check out an impromptu meet and greet with Derek from Vice Grip Garage and Richard from deboss Garage. Two guys who I really enjoy watching their stuff and how they do things. So I'm going to bring you along. We're going to check it out. Let's get these things shuffled out and moved around, and we'll get on the road. Sure if y'all can hear me well. Just about to roll into the farmers market for the meet and greet with Richard from deboss and Derek from Vice Grip. Been on the road for just shy of 6 hours. Traffic's been good. Buick ran perfect. Got a gentleman behind me in a beautiful Mustang Mach 1. What a cool little town. Look at this. here.
You got that right. I saw you at Nashville.
Did you?
I'm pretty sure we did.
Yeah, I seen it. I was down there.
Attaboy. Where are we gonna park now? Okay guys, like I said, we pulled in. Now Richard and Derek aren't here yet, but Richard's truck is here, the F3 Kitty. He did a killer job. The best part about it is he uses it. Look at the tires on it. 7.2 cat. Right? The newer interior. Dude, that's awesome. Absolutely fantastic. I followed that build pretty close. That was awesome. And this thing, this is his 57. He built this out in California, I think. That is just awesome patina. 6-speed. 6-speed. Dude, this is awesome. I don't see a Hemi in it yet, though.
There is a Hemi. There's a Hemi. It came with a Hemi.
It came with a Hemi.
Yeah.
With the little 2.2s? Or is that 2.5?
Yeah.
That's the Mitsubishi one.
Yeah, that's right.
Right.
The first Hemi.
That's awesome. It's fantastic. Let's take a walk around and see. Chatting with this fella, the Granada. I absolutely think it's fantastic. Look how nice that is. Right. Beautiful DeSoto.
We're still working on our first floor. Yeah.
The whole thing. It only has one floor.
Our makeup.
Until the very.
We got a whole bunch more cars that have pulled in since I got here. Let's take a walk and check them out. The old Chevy. The old Mercury. Oh, and it's an inline 6. Wicked. What does that say? OMC? I wonder if it's a real marine engine or not, or they just put the valve cover on it. Either way, it's cool. Nice Buick. wheels and everything. Those wheels are really hard to find. Bad company. How nice is that? This crew cab Dodge. Love these Novas.
I was having a little bit overheating problems. But since then, I haven't had any issues. So
Love to find one of these. Remember, my parents had one. They had a crew cab. Was it a crew cab? I think so.
Yeah,
Oh.
just it's an obese car. Yeah, they're everywhere. I don't know what it was about them.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, not gonna lie, it's worth the trip so far.
You want to look at it? Look at it.
Good, you go right home now?
Square body. Look at the patina on it. It's just awesome.
Oh yeah.
Nova. Very nice. An original straight six. She's beautiful though. Hello. That's just... Oh, there's no words. It's awesome. Ooh, look at this bad boy. Oh, incoming. Old International. Yeah. Very cool. That's on a new adjustment. Ooh, Supra. I have a soft spot for these. My brother had an 82. Never sure. truck over there too.
Very nice.
Can I get a picture of you guys together?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Very cool. It's beautiful. Get that top down. Have some fun.
Richard.
Very cool. Nice to meet you.
Good, how are you?
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah. This is your girl?
This is.
Oh, very nice.
I'm waiting to see if he figures it out yet.
What am I? I'm supposed to figure it out?
Yeah.
I've already signed this car.
Sure did.
You had 2.5 hour drive-ish.
I had a 6-hour drive to get here.
Oh my goodness.
I had a 17-hour drive to Tennessee.
Where did you, I met you in Nashville, wasn't it?
We had a beer.
Yes, right.
It's good to see you again.
Yeah, likewise. This time I came to you, kind of. Ish.
I mean, we can finish that beer now?
Yeah, maybe in a bit.
Maybe in a bit?
Maybe in a bit.
What time? I'll meet you there.
Well, it'll be here. Oh no.
So, working hard?
Always, yeah. The Edison thing's looking really good. So, and then just trying to finish up a bunch of the last projects. And it's go time for some prototypes and get all the parts are in shipping
I got
containers.
chiropractors selected all and
Perfect.
Derek, you still have any merch? No. If you use code dunnville, you get 20% off.
I like the idea of the electric
Today.
axle.
Or Princess Auto.
Yes, it takes up too much room.
Which aisle?
And the torque is too much for a drive shaft. You joints will constantly go. And crown and pinion, it's actually strict cut on the electric motors because you need to drive backwards when you reach it. So if you use the crown on a curve, you're on the heel, and then you'll wear them out way too fast.
Never thought of that.
Easy to put you in.
Yeah.
I gotta get pictures.
Hey guys. Oh, we're gonna get in the car here. Not sure how well you all can see me, but that turnout was unreal. It was so awesome. Got to shake Derek's hand again. Got to meet Richard. Totally worth the drive. And the turnout was awesome. It's, as you can tell, very dark. I'm at Little Esso getting some fuel, and I'm not sure how far I'm gonna make it this evening. We're gonna drive till we can't, till we're too tired. All right, here we go. Well, we're just taking a little break. Hadn't had any food yet since lunchtime, and I think it's like 20 after 10 p.m. So a little hungry. We're at a little stop just north of Toronto. They've got fuel and a Starbucks and a Tim Hortons. But the car's running great. That show was fantastic. It really I think I actually went into it with the wrong thoughts, though. And I mean, I should know better. I should. Events like that are not events that will allow you opportunities to get to know the people, the hosts, right? Like Derek and Richard. It's great to shake their hand. They say hi. They're super polite. Richard put on a fantastic event, but I should have known better. I'm not going to be able to like strike up a thriving conversation with these people and make a friendship and you know, skip merrily down the road. But what I did learn is that the people that were there were fantastic. That impromptu show brought in people from all over the place. I think I was the furthest though, because it was like a 6-hour ride for me, one way. But the group of people were all there with the same pleasures, the same interests. Everybody was courteous. Everybody was. It was awesome. I love my Buick. I've had it for just shy of 30 years. But it isn't, realistically, it's not the type of car that generates a ton of interest when you compare it to like a 57 Chevy or a square body or a Mustang or a Charger, right? Or Cuda. But tonight, I was very flattered because it drew a great deal of attention and it made me feel good. So the people were awesome. Mark, this gentleman Mark I met, what a great guy. Dude, I hope you find your 442, man. You deserve it. Find it, get it, put it on the road. And when you do, send us pictures. I want to see it. There's another gentleman, I'm sorry I don't remember your name, but he had a white Monte Carlo SS. It was an 85 SS. It was beautiful. If you happen to see this, send me the link to your car club in Toronto. I'd love to share it, right? And take that beauty to Power Tour, man. You'll love it. But again, Derek was super polite. I probably acted like a meathead, you know, being all weird when I met him. I don't know, just starstruck, I guess. Richard was awesome. Put on a great event. Got to see his F3 Kitty, that beautiful 57 truck. And they showed up in style. They showed up in his Kenworth, his cab over Kenworth that he redone. What a beautiful truck. Anyways, guys, listen. Get out to your car shows, man. Enjoy them. I am going to say goodnight and thank you for everything because I still have almost 4 hours to get home. Not sure I'll make it all one shot, but yeah. I'm gonna hop in the old beast here, make some miles till I can't. But for now, have a good night, and we'll see you later.